up mga kote? It's me, Ate Mariel, at welcome sa Kuwaderknows, where learning is the name of the game. So kung bago ka pa lamang sa aming YouTube channel, i-click mo na subscribe, like, and share button para updated ka sa aming mga videos. So samahan natin si Super K sa panibagong araw at panibagong lesson na ating matututunan dito sa Kuwaderknows, at ang bagong lesson natin for today is Stronger Than Sky. We will have another story for this lesson for today, so let's start. This is lesson 6, Stronger Than Sky. Folk tales are imaginative stories that express the way people think, feel, believe, and behave. Among the folk tales are realistic. All old tales, fairy tales, myths, and legends and fables. So, ayan. When we say folk tales is an imaginative stories, the way of people to express their feelings, beliefs, and how they behave. So, yan. This is also an adapted story. It's Stronger Than Sky. And yan. Once upon a time, there was a very wealthy but naughty merchant who lived in palatial home. So this merchant had a cat which he thought was an extraordinary animal. So, ayan. He decided to name it Sky. When we say palatial home, it's resembling a palace in being spacious and splendid. It's a very pretty place. Yan. And dahil nga this merchant cat, which he thought was an extraordinary animal, he named him Sky. One day, he showed off his remarkable pet to a friend and said, This is the strongest cat in the world." His friend shook his head thoughtfully and said, "Allow me to point out that there is something stronger than the sky. Look at the clouds. They can cover and hide the sky." "You're right," said the merchant. "From now on, I am going to give my extraordinary cat the name Cloud." Sometime later, another merchant called at his house to talk business. "Why is it that you call this remarkable creature Cloud? There is something stronger than the clouds. I mean, the wind that scatters the clouds before it." So from then on, he called the cat Wind. A month passed. The mayor of the city noticed the extraordinary cat. "Wind seems to me a name that is unworthy. The wind meets its master every day. I mean, the wall, because the wind cannot blow through it." A little later, the merchant's son, who was a scholar, remarked that there is something stronger than a wall. "The mouse can rifle a hole through it." "That is true. I will name my cat Mouse," said the merchant. So, ayan. A little later, the merchant's son, who was a scholar, remarked that there is something stronger than a wall. "The mouse can rifle through it." So, naulit. So, wait lang ha. No, hindi pala siya naulit. Nagmalikmata lang ako. Yan. Tuloy, a little later, the merchant's son, who was a scholar, remarked that there is something stronger than a wall. "The mouse can rifle a hole through it." "That is true. I will name my cat Mouse," said the merchant. Just then, the garden's little son happened to pass by. "Mouse," he exclaimed, laughing as hard as he could. "I know something much stronger than Mouse, the cat who catches the mouse and eats him up." At this remark, the merchant saw his folly. From then on, he called the animal cat. So, Stronger Than Sky, when the merchants meet someone, they will say that there's something stronger than this. May mas malakas dito. And nagpalit-palit ng pangalan, naging from sky, naging cloud, naging wind, and then naging mouse, hanggang sa natuluyan na maging cat ang pangalan ng pusa niya, Cat. So, ayan, before we end this lesson, may questions muna tayo dito about Stronger Than Sky. So, ayan yung questions natin. Answer the following questions. Why did the merchant name his cat Sky? What names were suggested to replace the original name of the cat? How was the merchant convinced to change his cat's name? What did the merchant realize? If you were the merchant, would you change the name of the cat? Why? So, babalik tayo dun sa lesson and we will pag-iisa-isahin na natin to, and then we will have summary, and then itong tanong na sa number 5, if you were the merchant, would you change the name of the cat and why? Okay, let's go back. So of course, unang pangalan niya is Sky because he always thought that his animal was really extraordinary. And one day, may friend siya na nagsabi na, allow me to point out that there is something stronger than Sky. Sabihin, may mas malakas pa sa Sky. Look at the clouds. They can cover and hide the sky. So, mas malakas ang clouds kaysa sa sky. And then, he named his cat Cloud. So, yan. You're right. From now on, I'm going to give my extraordinary cat named Cloud. So, ayan. Another scenario when a business talk about business. So, sinasabi niya na, ito na naman. Sinabi niya na may mas malakas pa sa clouds. It's wind. That's he said. And then, so, from now on, the cat called Wind. So, ayan, nagbago na naman yung name niya. Pabago-bago siya ng pangalan. And a month passed, so, yung mayor naman, nagsasabi na notice yung extraordinary cat, and sinabi niya na, Wind, seems to me a name that is unworthy. So, mas malakas daw yung wall o yung pader kasi the wind cannot blow through it. So, yan. That is true. And he named his cat Mouse kasi ang mouse daw ay the mouse can rifle a hole through it. So, the next one, yung merchant sa naman, ang naka-notice naman sa kanyang pangalan sa pusa, and he said that the mouse can rifle a hole through it. That is true. I will name my cat Mouse. And he laughed and said, I know something much stronger than Mouse. The cat who catches the mouse and eats him up. And from now on, pangalan niya na ay Cat. So, sinasabi nung sa tanong sa number 5, if I were the merchant, would I change my cat's name? For example, marami nagsasabi, oh, that's so bad. That's a bad name for a cat. It's not cute or something. I name my cat Taffy. And he is a ginger cat. He's really, 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 really orange. Parang full orange yung color niya. And I remember, if I'm not mistaken, Taffy is like a candy from other country, in UK ata, if I'm not mistaken. And then, nakasanayan ko na siyang itawag sa kanya is Taffy. And he's really happy with his name because he answers me and wags his tail when I call his name Taffy. Nasagot siya. Nagmemeow siya when I call his name, and he likes it. So I don't really want to change my cat's name just because of suggestions of other people. It's because he loves it. So ayun, I will not change it. So ayan, ating lesson for today. So thank you, have a great day, and God bless, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.